Photosynthesis. Okay, I will try. My English is not perfect, so if I sound strange, forgive me. When you hear photosynthesis, what do you imagine first? Light, leaves, or something like plants eating? I used to think plants just drink water and somehow grow. But the real process is kind of beautiful. Plants take light energy from the sun and turn it into chemical energy, like a battery they can use later. Why do you think a plant would want to store energy instead of using sunlight immediately? The ingredients are simple: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Water comes in through roots. Carbon dioxide comes in through tiny openings on leaves called stomata. Sunlight is captured by chlorophyll, the green pigment in chloroplasts. If chlorophyll is catching light, what do you think happens when there is no light, like at night? There are two big stages. First, the light-dependent reactions. These happen in the thylakoid membranes inside the chloroplast. Light energy splits water molecules, which releases oxygen. That is why plants make oxygen. The light energy is also used to make energy carriers called ATP and NADPH. Does it surprise you that oxygen is basically a byproduct, not the main goal? Second, the Calvin cycle, also called light-independent reactions. This happens in the stroma. The plant uses ATP and NADPH to fix carbon dioxide into sugars like glucose. Those sugars can become fuel or be built into cellulose for growth. If plants are making sugar, why do you think they still need to breathe using cellular respiration like we do? The overall idea is often summarized like this: carbon dioxide plus water plus light energy, glucose plus oxygen. When you look at the forest, does it change how you feel to think it is like a huge, quiet factory turning sunlight into food for almost everything on Earth?